Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and in this video we are going to take a look at how to flash custom ROMs on your Nothing Phone 1 without using a PC, or you don't have to go to the hassle to copy it from another device like PC or laptop. Flash it straight away through the Nothing Phone 1 using Orange Fox Recovery. And I'm going to do the installation of non-GApps variant, which is the vanilla variant, because GApps variant it's easy, just flash, format data and reboot. But GApps, non-GApps variant like the vanilla variant requires some additional step. So I'm going to fully explain the procedure to you guys. So make sure you stick to the screen and follow the exact procedure. So guys, first let's boot into the Orange Fox Recovery. So you have to press the volume up and power button at the same time in order to boot into the Orange Fox Recovery or any custom recovery that you have installed. But yes, this method is for Orange Fox Recovery only. So yeah. And we have the Orange Fox logo here. As you can see, it has booted into the Orange Fox Recovery. Now you have to decrypt as encryption is enabled. Now let's flash the custom ROM zip. So let's go to download. As you can see, this is my Bliss ROM's vanilla variant. Obviously this video is all about vanilla variant. Click here and you can see you need to check these boxes, and all the other boxes need to be unchecked. Just flash it. There's no need to wipe, format data, anything. Just flash this ROM zip and let's wait for it to get flashed successfully. So guys, the installation of the ROM is successful. Now let's go back, and what you have to do is go to the wipe section, go to format data, and here type yes and continue with formatting the data, and this will factory reset and wipe your data partition. Now just click on reboot system, and that's it. That's how to install the ROM on your Nothing Phone 1 without using PC. Now this is how you install the GApps variant. Now for the non-GApps variant, the way I'm installing, like I have flashed the vanilla variant zip. So I flashed it. Now I will wait for the device to reboot, and I will continue with the procedure for the vanilla variant to install GApps. So guys, the ROM has been installed. Now what you have to do is just complete the basic setup, set up Wi-Fi, and you have to download the GApps. You can download and install core GApps. So all the link for GApps are in the description. Please check them out, download, and then we'll move it to the next step, which is the installation of GApps. So guys, I completed the basic setup and downloaded BitGApps. You can also do download BitGApps. Oops, the ads, really weird ads coming on the website. Yeah, you can just click on download here, or you can just scroll down. Install the core GApps. Yeah, you can select here Android version, the version core, platform ARM64 and Android 16. So you can just easily download it. Now after downloading, we have to again boot your device into the recovery mode. You can also do it via this menu. I have already shown you guys the hardware key combo. So yeah, I'm just directly rebooting into recovery mode now. Now after rebooting back into recovery, simply go to downloads where you have the BitGApps downloaded. Select the file, and as you can see, these are the checkpoints you need to these are the two check boxes, not checkpoints, check boxes that you need to keep in mind. Then simply flash the GApps zip. So you can see it is installing the BitGApps. As you can see, GApps have been installed. Now let's quickly reboot to system, because there's no additional format required or any wipe required after installing the GApps. Now I'll set up my Google account and I'll show you that the GApps are working totally fine. So guys, as you can see, I'm done setting up my device, like my Google account, and as you can see, I have also started installing apps, and as you can see, the apps are getting installed properly. My Google account is running properly, so there are no issues with installing GApps later. So this is the method to install the vanilla variant ROM on your vanilla variant custom ROM on your Nothing Phone 1 without using a PC with the help of Orange Fox Recovery. So that's it guys for the video. I hope you guys will like it, and yes, those who do not have a PC, like every time you want to install a custom ROM or switch back to another custom ROM, then you have to use a PC, but it's not available every time to everyone. So this is a great option. Use Orange Fox recovery, install the ROM first, reboot, set up the device. It's a basic setup. Get back into the Orange Fox recovery, install G apps, and then reboot and set up your Google account and install your apps. So that's it. And I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, press the like button. If not, dislike button is also there. You can leave the feedback in the comment section. You can subscribe to watch other videos on my Nothing Phone 1 and also other devices if you have them. So that's it, guys. Take care. See you soon and bye bye. Take care, guys.